following a crash in both gold and Bitcoin (BTC) prices yesterday that sent the much-discussed gold to Bitcoin correlation even higher. The discussion is now on about what caused the sell-off, and whether a Russian COVID-19 vaccine could potentially be hurting the price of both assets. At the time of writing, 9:39 Coordinated Universal Time, Bitcoin was still down by 2.6% over the past 24 hours, trading at $11,459 after a correction that started Tuesday night and continued into the early hours of Wednesday brought it down to the $11,200 level before recovery towards $11,500 began. Meanwhile, the price of gold also saw similar declines, dropping steadily over the same time period before somewhat recovering in early Wednesday trading. Russia said yesterday that it had approved the world's first COVID-19 vaccine, as the nation's Ministry of Health issued what's called a registration certificate for a vaccine candidate that has been tested in just 76 people. However, the vaccine cannot be used widely until the 1st of January 2021, presumably after larger clinical trials have been completed, according to Science. However, scientists around the world immediately denounced the certification as premature and inappropriate, as it has yet to complete a trial that convincingly shows it is safe and effective in a large group of people, the report added. Also in Russia, media outlets are asking what a vaccine could do to BTC prices. For some, the concept of avoiding a second wave is vital. RBC quotes Oleg Abelev, an expert at the Lemon for Tea investment group, as stating that while crypto prices rallied this year, that growth could evaporate if the virus-related death toll starts to rise again. A second crypto market dip due to panic selling, he opined, was almost a 100% certainty. The media outlet also quoted experts as saying that while an effective coronavirus vaccine could cause volatility in traditional markets, sparking bond sell-offs, BTC is much harder to predict. RBC stated that the consensus among the experts it spoke to was that a second wave would negatively affect crypto prices, and Bitcoin in particular. However, a vaccine could help offset these fears, meaning that BTC's $3,800 low in March this year was probably not going to be repeated. Meanwhile, although several other factors than a COVID-19 vaccine may have been the primary driver for the gold sell-off, including modest outflows from gold-backed ETFs, exchange-traded funds, and an unusually overbought reading on the Relative Strength Index (RSI), it seems that hopes for a quicker economic recovery have put some pressure on gold in the short term. If the correlation between the two forms of safe haven assets does hold up, the profit-taking in gold could potentially also extend itself to Bitcoin, with the Bitcoin to gold realized correlation recently hitting an all-time high, according to crypto analytics firm Skew.